Baby, you're so pretty. What's your nationality? Ear black, eyes brown, good quality. You're so pretty. You don't even follow me. They put you in the DM, but you leave this shit unseen. You're so pretty.
Y'all, I completely forgot to turn on the camera, but hello, welcome back to my side of the world. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit that bell, and join the family. Y'all, today we decided to go to the beach. Let me show y'all tea. They burying Tatiana in sand. I don't know how good that's gonna go, but
look at my legs.
Y'all gotta cover her legs up. They're having a really good time. It's the view of the water. They have a lot of water.
Then I'm getting from the water from Mama Bay. Mom trying to make all my sin get out. Whoa! Mama made.
Oh wow!
He just messed up mine. I put water in your face, you're gonna start crying. Don't touch. Get out the door!
It's a dog, y'all.
Scared me. I just see that dog. Yo, when Nathan O'Count says
I wasn't gonna be able to get up.
Okay. Oh no.
Ooh, y'all, I'm out here getting a tan. I don't need a tan at all, baby, because I'm already chocolate. You hear me?
I'm chocolate.
We already chocolate, honey. But
Oh my god.
for some fun, it don't matter.
Look at that. Oh no, that's a rock.
You found the leaf, Nathan?
Yes.
Oh.
Come on, Nathan. It's right here.
Okay. He about to run down the hill, y'all.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
I want to come.
Stop. I caught one. Cameron. Whoa.
I'm trying to do it. I did it.
You did it.
Y'all, I really want to come in so bad. But he got a fish in the water. Oh no!
Okay, y'all, we decided to come over to this little park that they have over here. That's the swing set. It's like real woody, like it's cool out here. It's the restrooms up there in that building. You got picnic tables everywhere. Really nice. So cute little getaway. Quick little getaway. It's nice.
Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your